Welcome to Study Loop.
In this problem, I can write the value of v is equal to d, which is equal to minus 25 centimeters. Now using the length formula, I can write the equation as 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. Simplifying it further, I can write the value of 1 by u is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by f, which is equal to 1 by minus 25 minus 1 by 12. On solving it further, I can write the value of 1 by u is equal to minus 25 plus 12 by 300, which is equal to minus 37 by 300. On further simplification, I can write the value of u is equal to minus 300 by 37, which is equal to minus 8.1 centimeter. So to produce maximum angular magnification, the object should be placed at 8.1 centimeter away from the lens.